Designing a front yard without grass, or less amount of grass, can create a low-maintenance, water-efficient landscape that still looks beautiful and welcoming. It requires planning, while choosing the style and materials for front yard, to reduce the amount of grass, while still maintaining a beautiful and functional landscape. There are a couple of options. You can implement several strategies that incorporate low-maintenance, eco-friendly alternatives. Hardscaping is a great way to transform your front yard into a low-maintenance, visually appealing space. Incorporate natural boulders to build a retaining wall, giving your front yard a rugged, organic appearance. For a more enclosed feel, create a courtyard by framing the space with low stone walls or hedges. This intimate area can be enhanced with planters or small ornamental trees like Acer Japanese maple, weeping cherry, and limelight hydrangeas. Gravel-style front yards offer a low-maintenance, eco-friendly alternative to traditional grass lawns. Create a charming and low-maintenance front yard by replacing some areas of grass with gravel. Use gravel, concrete pavers, or flagstone to create a stylish space where you can add outdoor furniture and plant containers. Create a large gravel area with seating or decorative features. Gravel is easy to maintain and works well with drought-tolerant plants, like lantana or succulents, and compact evergreen shrubs. If you are enjoying the content of this video, please drop a like to this video for channel support. Thank you. Extended garden beds and front yard landscaping can create visual depth, reduce lawn maintenance, and provide beautiful spaces for a mix of plants, flowers, and shrubs. Retaining walls add structure to your landscape, while extended beds allow for more extensive planting designs. Terraced level retaining walls in your front yard not only provide functional solutions for sloped or uneven terrain, but also add aesthetic appeal by creating layers of planting space. Create multiple levels by stepping back each successive retaining wall. The tiers can be used to plant different types of ornamental grasses, shrubs, and flowering perennials. Incorporating water features and boulders into your front yard can create a dynamic, calming landscape that enhances both the visual appeal and sensory experience of your outdoor space. Use large, natural boulders to form the waterfall structure. Smaller stones and gravel can be used at the base for a seamless transition into the landscape. Surround the waterfall with drought-tolerant plants for a lush effect, and ground-covering plants between the rocks. Thank you for watching House Talks channel. For more interesting garden ideas, please subscribe to the channel. A new video will be added every week.